I'm gonna just say this. Some of you guys, y'all not ready. Some of y'all want things too easy. I think you guys watch these YouTube videos and you watch Instagram and you see everybody else's success and you think that it's just going to happen like so quick, but it does not happen like that. If you really, really, really want to get like results like fast, you need to be working your ass off. Like you got to be working like every day, okay? Some of you guys are getting discouraged too quick. That's why I meditate. See, I talked before on one of my videos about frequencies, and I don't think you guys realize how important it is to operate at a high frequency and to not have negative people in your circle and putting you down. And, you know, I mean, it all boils down to everything, like from the stuff that you put in your body. Like if you're smoking and drinking and like all that stuff, is those are downers. You know, they affect your mood, okay? So I highly recommend you to stay hydrated, drink water, you know, eat healthy, you know, every now and then eat a salad, stop eating burgers and stuff like that. Like all this, it really has something to do with your with the success in your business, because you're not going to operate good if you are not taking care of yourself. Okay, these are just traits that I had to learn, but some of y'all asses ain't ready. Y'all not ready because y'all about to piss me off. I mean, damn. It's not gonna happen overnight for you. Like I literally had to cold call every day. I did flyers. I did everything I talk about in all these videos. If you watch them, you know what I'm talking about. Every single day. I didn't miss a day. And once you do something every day, if you do it for 90 days, you develop a habit. Whatever you do for 90 days, it is now a habit, okay? So you have to train yourself on getting up and staying at it. You know what I'm saying? Don't just sit around and wait for leads to drop in your lap, you know, because it don't work like that. You need to learn how to follow up with your clients. Once you go on these walkthroughs, it's very important that you follow up. I can't stress it enough. Okay. I literally, back in 2018, I had an apartment complex tell me no about 6 times before they told me yes. Okay? It's December. And around this time, this the time y'all need to really be going hard. You know why? Because a lot of companies are getting rid of their cleaning company that they had all year. You know, this is the season where if they had a cleaning company and the cleaning company has been screwing up all year, and you come in there with your card, they're ready to take some new proposals. Okay? I know. Because one of my offices just got rid of us. I guess they got tired of us, honey. I don't know. But I got a little note in my inbox, and it said, "I'm sorry, we won't be using your service for 2021. $570 account a month. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. But I understand. I get it. They never did tell me what the problem was. You know, we never got any complaints all year out of the account. But sometimes you never know. Somebody else might have just outbid me. You never know. But I'm not gonna cry about it. Some of y'all cry too goddamn much. Oh, and I don't be wanting to hear that shit all night. Like I don't be wanting to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Because I got my own problems. I got my own stuff that I'm dealing with. You know what I mean? And I have to have tough skin for my own stuff. You know. So, in your world, you're going to lose clients. People are going to be moody with you. People are not going to show up when they're supposed to show up. Oh, God, wait till you get to dealing with the employees. If that pisses you off, then you ain't ready to deal with employees, honey. Okay? I just had to fire somebody yesterday. Okay? I mean, it's so close to Christmas, and I hate to do this shit. So close to Christmas, but I had to do what I had to do. Okay? For the sake of my business. Okay? But you can't let everything piss you off in your business, okay? That's why I say some of y'all need to chill with this entrepreneur stuff, because you ain't ready yet. You ain't seasoned yet, You know, you ain't quite there yet. You know, wait till you have all those accounts, those nice accounts, and then you have like 3 and 4 call outs in one day, and you freak out. You know what I'm saying? Wait till you get your employees and your employees start calling you, checking you about their money because they feel like you short them off of their check. Yeah, I deal with it all. And I always have to say that if I made a mistake, hey, I'm going to straighten you. I don't play around with nobody's money. You know what I mean? But can you deal with that? Can you deal with the heat, you know, of people coming at you all kind of ways? You know what I'm saying? Or clients, you know, might keep nitpicking. You know, they'll send you back for a crumb, crying out loud. Can you deal with it? I don't think you can. I don't think you can deal with it. Because the little stuff like you going on a walkthrough and the manager didn't show up, if that's enough to make you sit down, you're not ready. You have to be a beast. You got to keep going. That's what it's all about. It's not going to happen overnight for you. It didn't happen overnight for me. Okay? But the money is in the follow-up, and a lot of you guys not even following up. Like, you got all these clients all these walkthroughs that you went on, and you ain't follow up with nobody. Nobody. I got clients that I'm following up with that they might not say anything to my emails, but I just walkthroughs that I went on last year, you know, and I still retarget all these people. Okay? But you know, you really have to stay at this. That's why I named my company Tenacity. You know, because you have to have persistence. You have to really stay at this thing. It's not going to happen overnight, man. And I know you hear it all the time, but it's not going to happen overnight. It's not easy. I like to compare entrepreneurship to losing weight, because it's damn near the same way. Just like it's hard to lose weight, well, it's hard to grow a successful business. It's the same way. Just like you have to be disciplined in losing weight, you have to be disciplined in your business. The same way. You have to stay at it. You have to be disciplined when it comes with the funds, the money that's coming in. You have to know how to manage it and be disciplined. The same way, you know. But some of y'all ain't ready. I'm gonna just leave it at that. You know, you really got to think about this before you do it. Before you invest in any LLC, before you get any kind of software, accounting software, before you get any kind of business account, you need to ask yourself, am I really prepared to be an entrepreneur? Am I about that life? For real, for real? Am I going to stay dedicated every day? Am I going to learn and teach myself every day, stay self-motivated every day? You got to be hungry, you know, every day. I'm still learning as an entrepreneur and teaching people at that, because I do one-on-one coaching. So, but I'm learning as I go. And you got to really be a beast to do what I do, because goddamn. Whew. 2 companies? Now, my girl, Simply Southern, that won a contract today, congratulations to you, okay? This thing just happened so quick. But, she called me. Well, let me back it up. Client contacted me. I sent her the lead, and she acted on it right away. Like, she called, she went today, because the people said today, and she went today. Like, she was hungry, okay? And there's 4 buildings, okay? Small offices that she's gonna be doing. You know what I'm saying? $1,000 a month account. Man, congratulations. All I'm gonna say is congratulations. I'm not gonna go all into it, but she called me. We went over the bidding process on how I felt like she needed to bid on it, and we came up with a number. The number that they gave her was a shitty number. I told her that was a shitty number. So we negotiated a number over the phone, and then she called them, and they were able to meet in the middle. so we're all happy, you know, because she can. It's decent. It's decent. So congratulations to you, Simply Southern, for acting, man, and taking action. You didn't wait. That's what I'm saying. You didn't wait. Like, you went out there. You went there. Okay? You ain't procrastinate. No, what if they ain't there? What if Congratulations, girl. That's all I gotta say. Congratulations. Y'all go. I gotta get out of here and get home. Cause I heard my mama cooked.